you are in a situation where you're either in college, online college, on-campus college, or tech school or community college, and you're wondering what type of impact you going to school will have in your case, there are some circumstances where the information from your school can be helpful. How's that? A couple of things. First, programs for accommodations. A lot of schools have specific programs to accommodate individuals who have problems, whether it be learning disabilities, physical disability, whatever the case may be. So if you're participating in one of those programs, you want to get information so you can show Social Security that you're participating in one of those programs the school offers. Secondly, get copies of whatever accommodations that they're providing. So usually these programs, if they determine that you satisfy their criteria, they will literally spell out what accommodations you need, whether it be a note taker, whether it be extra time for assignments, whether it be extra time to take tests. All of that information is important. Third, if you have to repeat courses, this is where your grades and your report cards are important, so that you want to provide copies to Social Security indicating that you've had to repeat courses. Now, just because you repeated the course in itself is not necessarily a slam dunk, but if you're saying, hey, I have a hard time concentrating and focusing, I've had to repeat classes because of that difficulty, you want to provide that evidence. Fourth, you want to make sure the length of time it's taken you to actually get the degree. So if you know it takes 2 years to get an AA and you're at 4 or 5 year land, you want to make sure the court is aware of that it's taking you a while longer because of the problems that you're having. Fifth, statements from teachers or administrators regarding difficulties that you experience. Those things, again, go a long way, because if you say you have difficulty and you've had to retake a class, or you have problems focusing and taking the exams, the teachers or the administrators of the program, the disability programs or the accommodation program, can provide those statements for you. And then finally, documents to support participating in these programs. A lot of times these programs for accommodations for students require some type of medical paperwork from your doctors to let them know that you need an accommodation based on your medical condition. So whatever documentation you use to provide in order to get to participate in the program, provide that to Social Security. Now keep in mind, I've always told people, just because someone else finds you disabled doesn't necessarily mean Social Security will, but this information is information that Social Security can utilize in order to make a determination of the severity of your disability case.